Former Titusville Leisure Services Director Mike Rice, 31 of Oil Creek Township, will spend 4 months on house arrest and 32 months on probation for stealing over $4,500 from the operational proceeds of the Dick Crawford Municipal Swimming Pool in Titusville during his employment from May to September of 2013. The sentencing came Thursday morning before Judge John F. Spataro in Meadville's Crawford County Court. Sentencing also included a $1,000 fine, a $45 a month payment for house arrest, and full restitution and community service. Rice pleaded guilty to one misdemeanor count of theft by unlawful taking by way of a plea agreement last October. He had been charged originally with 2 felony counts of theft. In February of 2015, Rice was charged with stealing $4,557 taken from the daily proceeds of the pool operation. This after an investigation by the Titusville Police Department. At the time of his resignation in September 2013, Rice said he was stepping down to deal with issues related to Army service-induced PTSD issues. Judge Spataro said Rice's culpability was not clouded by alcohol or drugs, but by the PTSD induced by 36 months service as an Army war zone medic. Rice could have been sentenced to up to 5 years in jail and up to $10,000 in fines. Prosecutor Douglas Ferguson told the court Rice had been given a position of tremendous trust, that the instance of theft was not one isolated occurrence, but a scheme started almost immediately upon his employment. He said the citizens of Titusville were the victims. Ferguson said the thefts were done out of pure greed. Attorney Gary Gerson, defending Rice, told Judge Spataro Rice accepted full responsibility for his actions, that he was a highly decorated wounded warrior having served in Afghanistan and Iraq as an Army medic, dedicated his life to the betterment of veterans through his Internet Warfighter radio program. Gerson also noted Rice had already paid back the full amount of restitution. Further, Gerson said in his experience, brain injury affects executive decision-making and organizational ability. Confinement would only exacerbate Rice's PTSD. In a statement to the judge, Rice said he would not make excuses for his actions. He said he otherwise did his best for the community out of love for the community, but took on more than he could handle, only worsening his anxieties. Rice said he was unable to account for the stolen funds and was sorry to the community. Judge Spataro agreed with Attorney Gerson's assessment of Rice's disability, but also reminded Rice he ran a program to help people who trusted him. He stole money to the detriment of the community. Judge Spataro said Rice's culpability was not clouded by alcohol or drugs, but by the PTSD induced by 36 months of service as an Army war zone medic. Rice left the courtroom with his wife and attorney through a side exit. Reporting from Crawford County, I'm Mark Heim.